Hello and welcome back to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it is all about beauty. It is about Merit Beauty. Yes, one of the companies I'm sure you have heard a lot about. They've got a lot going on. They are at the top of their game in the clean and vegan products that are out there now. It's a luxury clean brand. So they have sponsored me and sent me some products to share with you and explain a little bit about the company and a little bit about the products with you and show you, give you a demonstration. So the product we're going to start out with today is called the Minimal Mist. That's a hard word for me to say, but it's a complexion stick. They say that it's not a foundation, it's not a concealer, it's both. And the premise of it is just to use what you need for that minimal look. So we're going to see how this mature face can do with it. I have the color Dune. They have 20 colors and they range from very light all the way up to dark colors. And so if you want to even like get some of the dark colors to do contouring with, you certainly can do this. But we're going to be using this, and they've also sent me their fantastic little Brush #1. This is a densely packed, vegan, cruelty-free and clean. It's got a little, it feels like velvet. It's got a little bit of an angle, but this little brush won Allure, let's see, Best of Beauty Allure in 2021. And so we're going to be applying this with this. And then we're also going to be using another product that they sent me, which they've released recently, which is their new bronzing balm. So we'll save that for a little bit later. But if you don't know about Merit, Merit was founded in 2021 by Catherine Power, and she is a co-founder of Who What Wear. And I'm sure if you're into fashion, you know that site. So, but yes, they're a wonderful company. And so here is the color. I've got my lights on here so you can see my skin really good. I have nothing on my skin other than moisturizer and a little bit of lip balm, and that's it. So we're going to start here, and I'm just going to, where I have redness, my little broken capillaries around my nose, that's probably where I'm going to start. I'm going to do a little bit up here. All right, so can you see that? So we're going to go in. And I'm just going to be patting and kind of dragging that down a little bit. It looks like a pretty good match for me. And it just goes seamlessly. And you can see, if you see my hair moving, it's because I have my fan on. It is 96 degrees today. We're just not getting rid of summer yet here in North Texas. So I've got my hair all pulled back, out of the way. Now, what I think I will do is, see, that was just such a little bit just to do that. So here's without and with. And so I think what I'm going to do is just go on my nose a little bit. It has, you know, some pores and a little bit of redness. It's allergy season. Is really bad here as well right now. In the fall, we get like 6 times of ragweed. Yes, it's kind of crazy. So, all right, so basically, I've got this half of the face done. So can you see? Now, see, here's something too. You know, I was talking about the contouring a while ago. You could get like one of the darker colors to do contouring under your cheeks. I don't contour a whole lot because I do have, excuse me, structured cheekbones, so to speak. So I'm going to be doing this, and then I'm going to do this side here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more. These 3 products, if you buy them separately, it would be $98. But if you buy the set, it's called the base set, basically. It's just the basics. This is, you get $10 off. And so it would be $88. And I will have a link that I will put right across the screen here, but then it will also be in the description box down below for you. So we're just smoothing this out. And so this brush can be used with all the products for everything. You just need the one brush for this. So I don't have any mascara on. I don't have any eyebrows. I just have, like I said, I just put the moisturizer on. So, but that did cover the redness in my capillaries. Do you see that? Just that little bit? It did cover that, and it looks fine underneath my eyes. I'm going to push it in right there just a little bit. I could even do it on my eyelids. I do have some redness on my eyelids, so I could certainly do that as well too. And let's do that because, you know, I do that with concealer, actually sometimes with a color corrector, but I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids to see if that takes some of that color out of there. What do you think? Yeah, let's do the other one. This brush is so soft. Soft brushes don't tug on your skin, and especially as we mature, the more you do with your skin, the more wrinkles it adds to it. So this goes on, and you know, with this you don't need any powder. You know, this is just for that natural look. You know, I could see that this set would be such a great idea for a birthday, Christmas gift, for a woman of any age, but also of a, say, a young lady, a teenager, maybe just starting out in makeup, and you want her just to get a little bit of makeup experience on a good, clean brand. This would be a great option, I think, just this little set like this. So to get her acclimated into some good makeup and skincare, of course, too. All right, so there is, what do you think? This is with just this. I'm liking it, yeah. So, all right, so I'm gonna put the cap back on here. Now, in every order, it's, okay, let's see. Whenever you place your first order online, they will send you this cute little corduroy bag. Won't this be cute for fall? It's a beautiful bronze gold color corduroy bag. This comes with your first order when you place an order with them. Shipping is free if an order is over $40. So let's see, we're going to talk about the bronzer now. Now this formula is based off of their formula from the Flush Balm, which are the blushes that they came out with that were just, Flush Balm is the bomb, I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna bring up here, this has, I just want to make sure that I've got it, that comes in 5 colors, and the color that I have is called QUINCE, Q-U-I-N-C-E. And it is a beautiful oval shape, which I think is just wonderful. All right, and here it is. I'm going to see if I put it here, if you can kind of, it's just this beautiful warm color. And it just shears out just like their blushes do. All right, so what we're going to do is, I like to put my bronzer, I'm just going to do it up here. And I'm very, very pale. I haven't been spray tanning very much this summer. So I've been trying to add a little bit of color with my bronzers. Bronzer is not the same as a concealer. I'm sorry, as a contour. A contour is a cool color to create the shadow. A bronzer warms it up like you've been in the sun and it's just sun-kissed you and giving you that healthy glow. So we're just warming it up. This is absolutely lovely on the skin. Lovely. I love. And one of the things too about Merit Beauty is they volunteer and support a company. It's not a company. It is a charitable organization called Baby to Baby. And what they do is they supply baby items like diapers and formula to people that are in need in the United States with, let's see, diapers, clothing, and other basic necessities. And you can, whenever you buy items online on Merit, at checkout, it will give you the option of donating to Baby as well too. So that's they give back, and that means a whole lot to me. So this is just a little bit warming up of the skin of the bronzer. I'm going to take just, I think, maybe a little bit more right here and right here. But see, I use the same brush. It's all so sheer, and it's good for you skin products. Let's see if I do that there a little bit more. Now I do know too that when I don't go out without sunscreen, but I know when the sun hits you, it hits my nose a little bit too. So I'm just going to warm up. I'm not contouring my nose. I'm just going to warm it up a little bit, because that's where it would hit. It will warm me up. It will do my nose. And it will also hit my chin a little bit. So I have just warmed my complexion up with just these two products. What do you think? I can't wait to hear what you think about this. And I can't wait to try some more of their products. So again, the link will be down below if you would like to check out some Merit products for yourself. So thank you for letting me come and tell you about Merit and show you this lovely foundation. I think it would be perfect for any age because of how it's made. Clean, vegan, and it's just so lightweight. And it's a lovely product. So that's all I've got. Thank you again, Merit. And I can't wait to come back next month and show you another round of some of their products. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.